As I sit in this dimly lit room, the buzzing outside is a constant reminder of the horror that has befallen us. It started 2 summers ago with a single bite. A mosquito, seemingly ordinary, but harboring a nightmare. That bite turned my neighbor into something inhuman. The infection spread rapidly, transforming people into mindless, shambling zombies. We called it the M virus, carried by mosquitoes, turning their victims into the living dead. I remember the chaos vividly. Streets filled with the infected, their groans echoing in the night. The government tried to intervene, but it was too late. The mosquitoes were everywhere, breeding in stagnant water, thriving in the summer heat. My family and I barricaded ourselves in our home, but one by one, they ventured out for supplies, only to be bitten and turned. I am the sole survivor, confined to this house. The windows are covered with nets, and I douse myself in repellent, but the fear never leaves me. I haven't stepped outside in months, not since I saw my little sister, now a grotesque shadow of her former self, wandering aimlessly in our garden. The buzzing intensifies at night, a cacophony of tiny wings beating against my window screens. I can hear them trying to find a way in, hungry for human blood. I've managed to keep them at bay, but I know it's only a matter of time before they find a way through my defenses. I spend my days searching for a cure, poring over old medical texts and researching on the internet until the power cuts out. I've found hints of a possible antidote, something about the mosquito's saliva interacting with human DNA, but it's all theoretical. The isolation is maddening. I talk to myself, to the ghosts of my family, trying to maintain some semblance of sanity. The world outside is a wasteland, overrun by the infected and those damn mosquitoes. I've seen fires in the distance, signs of survivors, or perhaps the infected destroying what's left of civilization. I'm running out of food and water, and the realization that I'll have to venture out soon is terrifying. I've been preparing, crafting protective clothing, and arming myself with whatever I can find. But the thought of facing those creatures, of feeling the swarm around me, chills me to the bone. I keep a journal, documenting my days, my research, my fears. Maybe one day, someone will find it and learn from my experiences. Maybe there's a chance for humanity to rise again, to reclaim the world from these monstrous insects and their zombie horde. But as the sun sets and the buzzing grows louder, I can't help but feel a sense of despair. I am alone, trapped in a nightmare with no end in sight. The mosquitoes are out there, waiting, and I know it's only a matter of time before they find their way in.